Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Fabrizio Romano don't come outside and let us know say it gets serious possibility say Rashford will leave Manchester United. I know say Baba come outside and let us know say Arsenal they monitor Rashford situation because you know like what they do for Manchester United. We say it don't need for Benjamin. And you know say obviously everybody won't go walk up at the end of this summer. We say the World Cup they happen this year. So if you know they play regularly for your team, how you expect Kochi to pick you? That is why many people the reason say they would like to move so that they will feel solidify their place. And the way that they play now, it will even hard because how you want to move again? You know, if you move to see for January 9, hey, the move for makes sense. Now we be saying no move, you for Benjamin. At the end of the day, Gareth Southgate will pick you based on past glory, and being will pick you on merits. How it go be? So I never know. This one they talk say Arsenal the reason the guy matter. Even if Arsenal sign as a where he won't play, when he go bench, he won't take over Saka position. I've been a Martinelli position he won't take. I've been a 9 he will come play. I don't want to do all these things. Well, I never really know. At the end of the summer, we'll know. Meanwhile, Fenerbahce former coach then they call Enro Tezgola. They talk say Arsenal don't send offer to one of his players so that they call Adagula. And the guy they tell CNN Turkey. So I know say this Adagula na 20 to 30 million pounds. That be the fee when they talk say they would like to collect from Arsenal. Funny enough, the guy that's 17-year-old midfielder. So I don't know what in Arsenal see for the guy body. Though many people they talk say the guy is very good because even Liverpool and Real Madrid self the scamping matter. So this is why we say I talk say Arsenal they go for him. Well, I know say Arsenal like to go for all these kind of players, but if you go for him finish, Shane at under 23 side you will go dump him. I won't come put him for inside our first 11 and that one me I don't know. And spending 20-30 million pounds on the 17-year-old, Shane makes sense. What do you think about this matter? For Messi will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come outside and talk say every team waiting for EPL, every top team now. They will reason Ruben Neves. Again, say they would like to sign the guy because the guy na a proper player. The guy sabi control midfield and sabi distribute pass. The guy they score, they do tackles. What if they find for midfielder where this guy no go fit give you? You get so we go like make Arsenal go for the guy, make them sign her. And myself I know say not too long ago we hear say one of the priority signings where Arsenal get for this summer na be Ruben Neves. So we self would like to sign him. Well, I never know how all this one will go because me personally I would like no sign out, irrespective of what you don't talk about Arsenal. We say we celebrate like say we win league when we beat them. We just forget all those things when you don't talk. Now normal level now we person they vex so we don't beat them. So at the end of the summer we don't know. So at the same time for media setting, they ask Mikel Arteta about the new role where they notice say in give Granit Xhaka. You get see that Granit Xhaka now they play as a box-to-box midfielder for Arsenal. So Arteta can say, oh man, that's what he been. I say, you know, say sometimes it good make it come out player from a comfort zone, carry and come out, make it when they play something different so that the opposition don't go feel they predict the way that they play get. Don't say before na 4-2-3-1 formation. Now Arteta they play. But now he has changed it going to 4-3-3. So now Partey can't be like the only defensive midfielder we can't be like solely responsible to give that protection for the back four. So Arteta, and I say Arteta, so Xhaka now can't be for the 8th position. So Xhaka and Odegaard can't be like say then the roam he gets for that midfield he gets. So I don't know how all these things go. But from what they say, no wonder they talk say in the past games, Granit Xhaka don't change. You guys know they collect tackles, you know they collect cards, you know they do anyhow again. You get now because they don't give him a new role. No being the solely responsible now to protect the back four. Now Partey now get that, and that's why if you check now, Partey they flourish well. The guy they play very well because Partey on his own he did very skillful and the guy they think before he go all those tackles. Before this is maybe Xhaka won't colonize and making they do some kind of lunging tackles, some kind of tackle no make sense. But now everybody is playing very well. So we get multiple options now, multiple dimensions to deploy our own tactics. It is either we are playing a 4-2-3-1 or we are playing a 4-3 depending on the level of opposition who they play against. So anyway, I'm going to watch how we play against Leicester City on Sunday, whether we go deploy 4-3-3 I will go deploy 4-2-3-1 because I would like more continue with the 4-3-3 because we have won our last 4 games and now with this 4-3-3 formation, so it will make sense more carry on. At the same time, many Arsenal fans don't come outside. They celebrate as Martinelli don't get in first senior call-up for Brazil. You say Brazil will follow play World Cup qualifiers against Chile and Bolivia. So they don't invite Gabriel Martinelli make on join their senior squad alongside those Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo, many players. Even they don't even call back Neymar. So they're very happy with this our boy for everything when they do. It makes sense. At least you don't show say all the things when they play, all the productivity when they give Arsenal, you know, they left unnoticed to get. So the hierarchy for Brazil, they don't see all these things and they don't call them. So yeah, Baba, come and join us. So it makes sense. Bruno Guimaraes don't come outside and let us know how in transfer they go. I don't say what to make this guy come outside the voice in opinion. Now after him playing debut for Newcastle against Southampton, when he scored the winning goal, so many people call the talk safe to say Arsenal know they for sign the guy, this and that. So for media setting, they call the ask him say, Baba, how your transfer they go? You get this one. We don't say Arsenal they won't sign you. All of a sudden they can't enter Newcastle. So waiting soft. So Baba on the talk, so truly saying get offers from many people. You know, call Arsenal by name. I don't say Arsenal they inclusive. So you can say get many offers, but the main offer will stand out. Like the people with the more serious, we give and the offer we turn in head, will make sense. Time be Newcastle. So as they just bring that project for us, say Baba say our project would like me to join us. So we won't come up for relegation this season. That be our target. After relegation, next season we'll fight for Europe. So we'll buy more players like you. We'll get top quality. So Baba no waste time. He can join them because Newcastle owners are the new money bags in town. They're the richest club in the world. So he don't get any objection not to join them. Now we don't join them. They win like mad now. They don't beat the relegation drop. They know they fight relegation again. They don't do like maybe 13th or 14th for David thereabouts. So we know say next season Newcastle they will be a big contender for Europe because at the end of the summer they are going to sign more players. So now Arsenal know why they're not going to sign now. Because if you be saying no go advertise well, I never really know their own reason. At the end of the summer we will know. And surely and also we will buy our own replacements. So away from that, so for media setting, they ask Arteta about this CHUKS situation for Chelsea and how the guy they manage. I think they still waiting the sub for there. So Arteta can't talk say almost saying no go lie, saying they praise Thomas Tuchel for the way the guy take comport himself, no really let the thing where they happen between Ukraine and Russia and Abramovich, they mess up with his head. You get they and you no one talk about the matter. So anything they ask Tuchel will say, I'm not a politician, don't ask me, it's not my business. Same Premier Tuchel continue like that, and hopefully they will resolve the situation. But because no be waiting every manager would like to face again. Imagine telling you when you are going away you can't spend more than £20,000, or when you are at home you can't spend more than £500,000. You know, all these restrictions they affect the guy's psyche. So he just they pray say they will resolve all the situations social. So our monitoring spiritually they call 90 minutes. Don't come outside, they let us know. Say Real Madrid they observe Kylian Tierney for Arsenal. So they would like to sign them to replace their old left back who they call Marcelo. Marcelo will leave at the end of the summer. So when yesterday Madrid done they scam Kylian Tierney for like 31 days now. They scout them, they observe and they watch them. So they are preparing for a bumper transfer bid for Kylian Tierney. And this summer, and they would like to sign this guy whether Arsenal like him or yes. See them, they don't talk say okay, now this guy now be our new Galactico left back signing. We are signing him from Arsenal. Any amount they will cost, they will offer Arsenal. So the question now is, if they bring a bumper bid, let's say they bring £80 million or £70 million, she make Arsenal sign Kylian Tierney. And I feel say if they test Arsenal resolve to sign Tierney, she Arsenal no go sell him. Now be the team what to make her Arsenal. So let me know your thoughts for the comment section. And away from that, so Michael Owen said not come outside, can't they praise Oli Watkins. Can't talk say this guy is a very good player, so he's a goal scorer, and the guy get hold up play. And once you're making like the guy again, they say the guy know how to bully defenders. So if Arsenal really want to sign this guy, say me them go for it. And not just Arsenal, Manchester United and other clubs. If they want to sign the guy, they go for the guy. Me personally, I like Oli Watkins, but one of the flaws I don't like for him, just like Jonathan David, I like two of them, but they're not tall. They can't give you that dimension with Dominic Calvert-Lewin will give you, or other players, other strikers with they tall will give you, maybe like Gianluca Samaka. Samaka they very tall, you know. Many players get their own different attributes, but if you are short, you know, cross and not go they limited. So that don't make me no really bad with the guy. But apart from that, the guy is a good goal scorer. At the same time, from media setting, the when they ask Arteta about Emile Smith Rowe availability on Sunday, so whether Emile Smith Rowe will play the match against Leicester City. So Arteta contacts say yes, of course. Emile Smith Rowe is back, so we are hoping to get him available for the match. So the guy they expected to play, even though if he to come from maybe Benjamin, come play some kind of cameo appearances. So we are expecting him to play. So anyway, it will be now on Sunday, sha. So unless maybe something happened and the physios can't say maybe it's the sick or something, or no say you don't recover or don't replenish all the lost fluids within your body. So we can't wait to have him back on the pitch. Then another positive news for Chelsea, we say Chelsea and the UK government don't agree a deal in principle to allow Abramovich sell Chelsea but there's a clause. The clause we say if he sell the club, any money, any proceeds will come from the club, they will come directly to him. They don't want to make him make money from UK. That's the clause there. So like he don't talk before, say if he sell them, they go use the money compensate the people the victims of war for Ukraine and Russia. So if they sell it, I think he wants to sell it for £3 billion. So after selling, then they will share this money. We never know whether now Russian people they will give, or whether now Ukrainians they will give, but any which way we say they don't allow them sell, and if they feel sell Chelsea, all the restrictions and all the sanctions so they don't place on Chelsea, they will dissolve them, they will cancel them. So Chelsea can't wait to sell. So the deadline to receive their first bid from until they hear now on Tuesday, 9 bids will start to flying. Then they will sell them because now they won't sell them swiftly, quickly. They won't sell them sharp. Paul Merson will be one of Arsenal legends. If not come and call the talk, say almost say no, say oh the guy did this good, oh, so the guy did good like this. You get say the thing they bust in brain gone. So the guy na great baller. You get say the guy get vision. And what he bust in brain, you say the guy acclimatized very quickly. So the way the guy they play, the guy they make all the people for midfield they play according to what he want to play. If they dictate play, if they increase the tempo of the game, then the guy did very good. So you know just expect. So in the beginning, for those who they criticize the guy know they good enough, but surprisingly now, with the least Arsenal first 11, if the guy no day there, he never starts. Away from that, Robert Pires said not come and second praise Arteta for the good job when they do for Arsenal at the moment. So Babacon talk say one thing when you notice we say Arteta they demand a lot from the players, and if you can't give what he's asking for, you'll be thrown out of the door. Now waiting learn from Pep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola they demand a lot from the players because you are being paid to wear that badge, so you have to do what I tell you so that we can achieve our goals. So check out now, for the beginning they lose back. Before you know, everybody does say, hey, for sure Arteta, do this, do that. With all the old issues we don't get with Aubameyang, Guendouzi, all those issues, you don't overcome all of them. Look at where we are now. We are in 4th place now. Everybody done the talking, I will be favourites for Champions League. Say, come on. Say, they praise this guy, say the guy really do well for Arsenal. And away from this one, so Piers Morgan will be one of our celebrity Arsenal fans. Come and say, I call it Arteta, another attack again. This guy can talk negatively. So Babacon talk say with the way with Chelsea, they face their own drama. So make Arsenal go there, go sign Thomas Tuchel, and then sign Mason Mount. So many people can come outside from media setting for social media or come outside they blast and say making the cut Arteta some slack. So we know say you hate this guy with passion. So why you gonna talk to me then sack him? Okay, what thing do now when you talk to me then sack him? No, the guy everybody knows say you hate him, but at least sometimes hide your hatred. You get they believe like say you're free, you know you fit do a better job than Arteta because this guy can't say the reason why making talk to me then sack Arteta be say he let our best striker go. If we finish for 4th, we're not supposed to celebrate 4th. 4th is nothing to celebrate. This and that. Yeah. This guy just talk plenty. Well, everything we got to talk that yesterday as I check out, it just vex me. I don't want to talk plenty things. I just say okay, make I just let all those issues go because if I say make I open book for him, I feel talk some kind of bad things, but I just let them go. So if you know what yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click on so that I go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So I know I'm not gonna miss any chicken news. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.